Rahim. This is June 17, variant 12, and question number 4 in the past paper in worksheet question 42. So let's start. The topic is we have here is a circular measure. And what a question we have, if we can see that is a circle with a center at O and radius is R and angle 2 theta. Okay. And first target is what? Find perimeter of shear region in terms of R and theta. Like R theta involves in answer. So we need to find perimeter of shear region. So where is the shear region? This is shear region. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means arc AB, then BC straight length, CD straight length, and DA straight length. For your knowledge, R is given. So Alhamdulillah, one thing is very clear. If this is R, this is R. So two things we know. And arc length is not hard to find because S is equal to R theta. Problem only one left. What is this length? So it means DC is a major task. But we can see that DC is same, this same, this same, this same, this same, and this same. It means if I get AB length, my question almost first part finish. So let me plot this diagram here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So I'm planning O, A, B, and I'm drawing a perpendicular from here, 90 degree. And this 2 theta become here theta and theta. So half. So when up 1 theta comes here, and this radius given here. So I'm keeping same R and this M for midpoint. So I'm looking for the MB length. So how do, in front of angle is called opposite, in front of 90 is called hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is sine theta. So sine theta is equal to MB by R. R multiplies there. So MB becomes R sine theta. It means my students, so this MB is R sine theta and into 2 I get AB. So I can say that AB is equals to 2 times 2MB. So I'm going to finish this part. AB is equal to 2R sine theta. It means this gap is 2R sine theta. So DC also. So let's start. So we can say that. So DC is as well 2R sine theta. Now I'm finding perimeter. This part is over. So I'm writing I part. Let's start. What is the perimeter of the shaded part? Perimeter of shaded part. So easy shaded area. I have a plan. AB arc, then BC straight length, then CD straight length, then DA straight length, DA. Okay, so you can repeat again. So I'm rubbing this straight line and look at carefully. So what's my plan? AB arc length, DC straight, CD straight, and DA straight. So this is my plan of action. So let's see how we can complete our question. So what is this one? Arc length formula. S is equal to R theta. We have a formula. R is R and theta is 2 theta. So it means when I use this formula, I can say R theta and theta is 2 theta. Okay, what is the BC length? This straight BC is equal to R. This is R, so this is also R. So R, CD is actually equal to here. DC, same thing. So 2R sine theta and plus R again. So I think take R common, R common. So if I take R common from all 4 values, I'll get this in the value 2 theta plus 1 plus 2 sine theta plus 1. And 1 plus 1 give you 2. Ultimately, my answer is coming. I think I can make more simpler. 2 and plus 2 sine theta. I can take 2 common even. So this is better to write common out. 2 are out in the bracket theta plus 1 plus sine theta. I'm sure up till now, this is very clear. So perimeter of shaded part we have done. Okay. I can apply the cosine rule even. How come 0? And this is a there's a R, there's a 2 theta. So I can use this one. So if I needed this sorry, 2 theta is not here. This 2 theta here. So if I need this length, okay, I can use cosine rule and cosine, R square, A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B into cos of theta. So this is another way. You can get it. And if you copy this one, copy this in the place of this CD, so no trouble at all. So we have 2 ways and both answers are 100% correct. So this is not problem at all here. And let's discuss the part number 2. And we're asking shaded area. So how to get a shaded area? R is given, theta is given. Okay. So shaded area. What's the plan of action? Let me tell you. If I make it here, look at here. This straight line, I join it here in the diagram, middle one. So top is called triangle area, and bottom is a rectangle area. Okay, and you have this length, you have this length. So you have this length or you have both length. Okay, so that is why so we can plan here. Wait a minute, please. Okay, so what is the plan here back? So we have a triangle here, triangle. So my plan is what? So how to get shaded area? Problem is here in rectangle. In rectangle, this white part is coming extra. And what is the white part? Segment area. I taught before even that this is called sector. From sector, leave triangle, you got a segment area. So first plan is mine. I will find segment area. And when I get segment area, this segment area equal to this one. Look at this white part. And then is from rectangle, I will subtract this white area. I will get my answer. So plan is very ready. So plan is clear. So how to start planning? So again, first my plan is to get segment area. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So plan is segment area, and it's not a hard job. So let me find segment area. So sector is very clear, and radius is r, angle is 2 theta, but r value is 5, so 5 comes here. Theta is pi by 6 comes here. So let's find. So segment area. This part is over. So segment area. So segment area plan is half r square theta minus half into a into b into sine theta. Okay. So now, first of all, let me put the values. Inshallah, I believe you will understand, inshallah. Okay. What is the radius? Radius is r. So same. And radius value is 5. Radius value is 5. So I'm copying 5 value here. I'm copying 5, so into 5 square. What is theta value? Theta is 2 theta actually. So it means I write 2 theta, but 2 and theta is pi by 6. So I'm writing pi by 6. Okay. Now I talk about half into A. A is R and R. So both R. So R is 5. Half into 5 into sine. But theta again, the middle angle, which is a double theta. So I'll write 2 times 2 pi by 6. So let me type in calculator and let's see what answer comes. And he did not ask exact. No, I can type any way, no problem. Half into 25 into pi divided by 3, pi by 6, sorry. Yes, pi by 3 also same thing. I got 25 pi by 6. So my first part is over. Let's talk about other 25 by 2 and into sine and in the bracket 2 times. So pi by 3 I can write directly because 2 to cancel. And I got here what? I got here 25 root 3 by 4. Okay, this is my segment area. We are not need exact answer. We can subtract even. So no problem. Let me find out the how to subtract. And wait a minute. I find I know it because X sometimes he say involving pi and root 3. Then we are right. Okay. So answer is coming 2.264 is the area of segment. Which segment? This is segment. I mean to say this is segment. Okay. So I got segment area. Now, what is the plan of action? Look at my children. So this is a rectangle area. From rectangle area, this is called segment area, white part. Okay. So rectangle minus segment. This is a plan of action. So let's try to fulfill. Okay. So rectangle area. So how to get shaded area? I'm writing in one step, shaded area. So what is plan? Rectangle. What is rectangle? Length into width. Length is DC and width is a BC. Okay. DC gap is given here. Okay. I repeat, DC times 2 BC. Okay. Minus 2.264. Why? Because segment area we have. Okay. What is a DC? DC is this one. Okay. I'm putting the values. What is R value? 5. What is theta value? Pi by 6. Okay. So let me complete it. Okay. Well, let me complete it. And inshallah, I'll get my answer very easily. So 2 times 2, 5 into sine theta is a pi by 6. This is my answer for CD. Done. Okay. Into BC. BC is what? Radius only. Repeat. BC is this length and that is radius. So it means only R. R is a 5. And minus 2.264. It come from segment area here. So let me type all together. Inshallah, answer will come 10 times 2 sine pi by 6 and minus 2.264. And answer is coming short 2. Let me find answer I'm writing here 2.736, or you can write it here 2.74. So unit square or centimeter square. And that's my question is over. Yes, student, I did once a mistake here, and mistake is covered. What is mistake? When you put this value, so this answer, all writing is correct. And let me check it once again. 2 times to 5 into sine pi divided by 6. So pi divided by 6, it's coming 5. Actually, all this typing is correct. No mistake at all. Only the mistake is here in the end answer. So answer mistake is here. Let me correct. Okay. And answer is coming 22.7. Okay. Because this answer coming 5 and 5 into 5, 25. And from 25, you can subtract. And answer is coming 22.7. And the question is fully finished. All right.